Save our soils is the message being given to farmers throughout the world to help increase productivity. Only 84% of the world's arable soils are now in production compared with 10 years ago. Every year the world loses soils capable of producing food. A small agricultural research and development company in Wodonga, Australia has developed a farming system that will reverse this trend. Sustainable agricultural developments has brought about a totally new system for horticulture and broadacre farming to increase productivity on most soil types and in all climates. Sustainable Agricultural Machinery, known as SAM, is a young company that's been awarded recognition by the rural press for its initiative in horticultural research. In 1990, SAM won the Land Newspaper Machine of the Year award at the Orange National Field Days, the highest honour in agriculture for Australian inventors. Since then, Oz Industry, the Commonwealth IR&D Grants Board, has helped finance the development of a totally new concept created by SAM. The new system is called Raised Bed Management, RBM. The concept is to help farmers who used raised beds in farming to become more sustainable. By not working their soils to a destroyed state, they're able to reuse their beds for growing crops time after time, while increasing soil structure and crop productivity. SAM is suggesting that once raised beds are formed, they should stay in use for many subsequent crops. In fact, there should be no reason to ever destroy the original beds. By this method of farming, soil structure improves dramatically. The residues from previous crops remain on the beds to rot down as mulch and compost. This organic matter in the soils is the secret to higher crop yields and more profitability. What is the RBM system? A concept that's been designed to increase profitability in the form of savings in time, labour and fuel, savings in chemicals, and is ideal for the organic grower. Less passes with the tractor saves our soil structure and increases soil fertility, and means better water infiltration and less runoff from expensive irrigation water. Crops that benefit the most from the new system are carrots, onions and garlic, all vegetables, flowers, tomatoes, watermelons, rockmelons and pumpkins, potatoes, tea tree, vineyards, herbs, and lastly, research. The RBM former is the first tool of the crop management system. It forms even, compact beds which are ready to plant in one pass. Bed surface compaction can be adjusted to suit your requirements through the top linkage. Side compaction of the bed is also adjustable. No moving parts and toolbar construction allows fitting of ground engaging tools, hoppers and transplanting or seeding equipment. Forming and seeding in one pass gives accurate seed placement on the bed top and forms level beds, reducing traffic and providing a base for all subsequent operations during crop life. The optional toolbar with hydraulic lift and lower lifts forward for weight transfer and increased manoeuvrability. The RBM bed former forms good beds in most conditions, from light sand to heavy black loam. If forming and planting is not possible due to conditions, the bed locking toolbar enables universal hookup to existing planting equipment to plant with correct crop indexation. The additional toolbar can also be utilised for other equipment. The PTO-driven RBM weeder weeds all the unsown bed surface, sides of bed and furrow base. The side knives cut the soil off the bed sides, and the rear ploughs turn and lift to rebuild bed shape for future guidance. Oscillating knives give excellent trash clearance. Skis on the weeder give excellent guidance and depth control. Spray tanks can be included in this pass and will be carried out with greater accuracy, reducing spray widths and maintaining regulated conditions for optimum plant growth. All implements in the RBM, the Raised Bed Management System, are fully integrated with options for maximum flexibility in the field. You can set your speed in bed forming to suit your soil and conditions. Hydraulic lift and lower toolbars can be ordered for all bed former sizes. The bed former comes standard without hydraulic lift and lower. You can order your boats from 4 inches high through to 8 inches, and they'll build up to 11 inches. The base of the furrow is standard at 300 millimetres wide. When ordering your bed former, a standard machine comes in 5 to 6 feet, but of course you can order a bed former to suit your requirements. Centre boats are also an option. They form a centre furrow in the middle of your bed for superior water penetration. The hydraulic lift and lower is an optional extra and can be ordered to suit, even after the point of sale. Fertiliser bins can be used as an option in the bed forming stage. Your machine comes standard with square ploughs at the front, and the smudges are adjustable to suit the bed height and soil type. Deep rippers can also be fitted as an optional extra in the centre of the bed or in the furrow and have 3 depth settings. The bed locker comes standard with the pivoting centre point. The lugs on the rear toolbar are adjustable in width and also in height to suit whatever implement you're using. The bed locker also comes with adjustable height and width legs to suit the bed and can be ordered with an optional set of locking skis for the rear of your seeder, transplanters and any other subsequent equipment. Clamped on bed locker skis are available for air seeders and other heavy equipment. The weeder comes in a standard size of 5 to 6 feet, but can be adjusted to suit the required width and the number of crop rows on your bed surface. The number of uncultivated rows required to be left on the bed surface can be adjusted through the hoe leg spacings. The cutter angle can be adjusted through the connecting rod length and through a slotted top hole on your hoe blades, and you only have a chain tensioner to adjust in the drive line. The weeder has a built-in floating deck which follows the contours of your bed surface. Rebuilders are adjustable in and out to suit the width of your bed. So are the guidance skis on the front of your machine. Legs can be adjusted through 2 bolts to suit the height of the bed, and the skis are adjustable width-wise. All skis, including the weeder deck control skis, are covered with Teflon for longevity. Extra hoe legs and blades with clamps can be ordered along with fertiliser legs, centre boats, and also skis and clamps for the rear of your seeders, transplanters or auxiliary equipment. For the first time in Australia and possibly the world, the company has designed a new and complete system of farming that will totally revamp old methods of farming and help sustain the world's soils. Feel free to ring at any time or arrange for a demonstration when the equipment is in your area.
In 2002, Advantech introduced its new reverse till cultivator. Because it is ideally suited for application in the turf growing industry, it was trialled at Anko Turf's Torquay Turf Farm. Its unique reverse till action lifts and separates soil components, reincorporates stones, rocks and vegetative material into the bottom of the bed, covering it with a fine tilth of surface soil. Unlike a conventional rotary hoe, the reverse till digs up from the bottom of the bed, lifting the material and separating the components inside the housing before reforming the bed. The finer surface material is separated by a selection grid and uses the unique grader blade and compression roller to form a seedbed surface that is immediately ready for seeding, making the most of your time. A standard bolt-on bed forming kit converts your flat country reverse till cultivator into a bed renovator, ideal for horticultural applications. The doubly compressed and accurately formed sides of the bed act as part of the Adv SAM guidance system for other machinery to follow. This allows precision planting, weeding and harvesting from these beds. Drip tape can also be applied during bed forming. The side spacer ski accurately places the bed you are forming a standard distance from the previous bed, again increasing accuracy and uniformity. All bed renovators connect easily to a standard 3-point hitch and can be supplied to suit either a 540 or 1000 PTO. To find out more about how a reverse till cultivator can reduce on-farm costs and increase your productivity, call Adv today.